Hey there and welcome back to another BEKA Connect video. My name is Antina and today I'm going to show you our beautiful nursing and care table, the Mona. Here you can see the electric version of the Mona. We actually offer 3 different models, so we have the electric version, the hydraulic version and the battery powered version. And you can also see we offer it here in a very nice green. You can also order it in different colors, as you can see here, and our standard color, for example, would be the blue Delft. So our Mona comes with these optional side rails that of course provide great safety for the patient that is lying on the surface. You can have these side rails on both sides of the Mona. As you can see, I folded it down there already, and there are also paddings available that you could order for these side rails. As you can see, the side rails are foldable very easily and therefore great for the caregiver and a great safety feature for the patient as well. Okay, I am showing you the stepless height adjustment of the Mona right now. As you can see, it lowers down very low and therefore gets to the size of almost every standard care bed, I would say. And this of course is very good if you're performing a standard transfer task on the bed. As you can see, you can easily bring the patient now from the bed to the Mona with the help of a sliding mattress or sliding sheet. The Mona is made out of a very durable powder-coated steel construction. It has this great comfortable lying surface with the rounded edges, and the Mona is suitable for all our mobility groups. It means group 1 to 5, which you can find out more about in our mobility guidebook. As I already mentioned, the Mona comes in very different versions, so you can have the electric or hydraulic height adjustment, but you can also order it in different lengths and widths. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short video about our Mona. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, Brian, or anyone from the team. Goodbye, see you next time.